Okay, let's wrap up that last part, which is complex binomials or complex with binomials. Either way you want to. Okay, number 10. 5 plus 3i divided by 2 plus I. So this is actually just a combination of the two skills we've just been learning. So you have imaginary, you also have the binomial effect. So that's why it's a complex, because obviously it's not just imaginary, it does have the rational number with it. And so when we, oh, sorry, not an equal sign. So when we want to rationalize, we're going to multiply by the conjugate. Okay, so therefore the conjugate would be 2 minus I. Okay, so we're rationalizing with the conjugate. So, and again, if you feel comfortable to multiply straight from here, multiply straight from here. So 5 times 2 is 10, negative 5i, positive 6i, and negative 3i squared. Divided by, again, it's a conjugate, so we know those middle terms are going to cancel. If you don't feel comfortable doing that step, then you can write it out. 2 times 2 is 4 minus I squared. Okay, now remember, from what we learned or what we remembered at the beginning, I squared equals negative 1. So from here, I'm going to simplify. We get 10 plus I minus 3 times negative 1. You always have to show that. I don't know why I wrote that so far over there. Let's try that again. Don't waste space. Plus I minus 3 times negative 1 divided by 4 minus a negative 1. So we have negative 3 times negative 1, which is 3. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 4 minus negative 1 is positive, so that's 5. And just like we did in the first examples, we want it to be a plus bi form. So since there's not a number with the I, keep in mind that that would be 1, so it'd be 1/5 I. Okay, so again, combination of the two skills. We have the I's and we have the binomials, so complex binomials. Okay, let's try our next one. 6 divided by 5 plus 2i. So we're going to multiply by 5 minus 2i. I'm going to multiply across, so I get 30 minus 12i divided by 25. It's a conjugate, so the middle term is going to cancel. Minus 4i squared. So I have 30 minus 12i divided by 25 minus 4 times negative 1. So I get 30 minus 12i. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. So we get it divided by 29. None of that simplifies, so we get 30 29ths minus 12 29ths I. Oh my gosh, you didn't see that whole thing. Oh my God. Oh no, not good. I apologize so badly. I'm sorry. Let me re-explain what happened there. So we multiplied by 5 minus 2i. I'm sure you guys were like shouting at the camera like, I can't see it. Multiply across, we get 30 minus 12i, and we get a conjugate, so we know the middle term is going to cancel. So 25 minus 4i squared. So -4 times -1 in the denominator, so that's 25 plus 4. We get 29. None of those three can simplify at the same time. All of the three, none of them can simplify. Nothing can simplify. Clearly my words are not with me. And so we end up with 30 29s minus 12 29s I. All right, let's have you try the next one. So maybe my words can come to me on this one. Okay, try this one, number 12. Okay, let's see what we get. So we need to multiply by 2 plus 2i. We have the FOIL on the top and bottom. So we have 10 plus 10i plus 6i plus 6i squared divided by 4, we know it's a conjugate, minus 4i squared. And we combine, so we get 10 plus 16i plus 6 times -1 divided by 4 minus 4 times -1. 6 times -1 is -6. So that would give me 4 plus 16i. -4 times -1 is +4, so that would give me 8. These each simplify. Divide by 4. So I have 1 plus 4i square root of 2, which would leave me with 1/2 plus 2i. For number 12, we'd get 1/2 plus 2i. Okay, and that's the last one. Hopefully that went well for you, and I'll see you next time.